Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Scientists found a way to restore brain blood flow in dementia. Scientists at the University of Vermont have discovered a new potential way to treat reduced brain blood flow and certain forms of dementia. Their research suggests that replacing a missing phospholipid called PIP2 in the bloodstream could help restore normal brain blood flow and ease dementia-related symptoms. PIP2 normally acts as a natural suppressor of the piezo-1 protein, which helps regulate brain blood flow. When PIP2 levels fall, piezo-1 becomes overactive, disrupting normal blood circulation in the brain. Adding PIP2 back into the system decreased piezo-1 activity and restored healthy blood flow, suggesting that increasing PIP2 levels could form the basis of a new treatment strategy for improving brain function in dementia. Future studies will focus on understanding the exact mechanisms of how PIP2 interacts with piezo-1, which will be critical for developing therapies based on restoring PIP2 or directly targeting piezo-1 to improve neurovascular health. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak